Hello, my friends. Today, I want to tell you a story. A calm, simple, and beautiful story about believing in yourself. There was a boy named Arav. Arav was kind. Arav was gentle, but Arav had one problem. He did not believe in himself. Whenever life became difficult, he felt weak. Whenever challenges came, he felt scared. He always said, "I cannot do it. I am not good enough." One day, Arav was sitting alone under a big tree. His heart felt heavy. His mind felt tired. He asked himself, "Why am I so afraid? Why don't I trust myself?" Just then, a kind old man walked to him. He looked at Arav and smiled softly. The old man said, "My child, why do you look so sad?" Arav said slowly, "I am afraid of life. I am afraid of failing. I am afraid that I am not good enough." The old man listened, quietly, calmly, patiently. Then he said something powerful. He said, "My son, every person has strength. Every heart has power. But many people forget their own strength." He picked up a small seed minus from the ground and showed it to Arav. He said, "This seed is small. It looks weak. It looks ordinary. But inside this seed, there is a powerful tree. It only needs time. It only needs patience. And it needs belief." He looked into Arav's eyes and said, "You are like this seed. There is strength inside you. There is power inside you. There is greatness inside you. But first, you must believe in yourself." Arav's eyes became soft. His heart felt warm. For the first time, he felt hope. He slowly whispered, "I want to believe in myself. I want to trust my heart." The old man smiled and said, "Then start today. Do not say I can't. Say, I will try. I will learn. I will grow. And slowly, you will become strong." From that day, Arav changed. Whenever life became difficult, he did not run away. He did not give up. He put his hand on his heart and said, "I believe in myself. I can do this. I am strong." Day by day, his confidence grew. Step by step, his life changed. Because when you believe in yourself, the world also starts believing in you. My friends, this story is for you too. Maybe sometimes you feel weak. Maybe sometimes you feel scared. Maybe sometimes you doubt yourself. But remember, you are strong. You are capable. You are special. Believe in yourself. Trust your journey and walk forward. Slowly, calmly, confidently. Because your story is still being written. Thank you for listening. Keep learning English. Keep growing. And always remember, believe in yourself.